Alright guys, so hello po again. So this is me, Gina, and here at my kitchen. Ang ating luluto po ngayon is broccoli with mushrooms and the chicken. So small part lang ng chicken kasi ito lang naman po kasi yung broccoli. Well, honestly, mga niluluto ko po dito na pinapakita sa inyo is somehow part of my diet. Weird, pero maybe I'll just give you more information about my diet in the future, but at this time, let's focus po muna sa ating mga lulutuing pagkain. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay? Chicken. So yeah, so let's go everybody. And since nabanggit ko nga po kanina na ang mga niluluto ko is partially part of my diet, so ang gagamitin ko pong oil po dito is coconut oil, okay? Natin. So, since mainit na po, mamaya na lang po natin titikman. So, thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. More menus to come.